Hello.
This man claimed that he is the faster rapper in the world.
What's going on?
What's what? Okay. Yankee. Okay. What's your name?
My brother, what is your name?
TTP.
What's TTP?
Tunde Tupac.
Oh, okay.
I'm the fastest rapper in the world.
You're the fastest rapper in the world.
Yes.
No. The world record has it that Twista is the fastest rapper in the world.
I'm faster than Twista.
What?
I'm faster than him.
You're faster than Twista?
Yes.
Okay. I'd like to hear.
Because people don't rate me. People, they thought you are so carried away with all these frivolities.
Wow.
Yes. If you pay attention to the real rappers, you will know that yes. There's rap and there's fast rap.
Who are the real rappers?
Me.
Who are you?
He just
TTP.
called his name for you to hear.
You are the real rapper. Okay. Okay.
Don't waste my time. Oh. Are you hearing me, Mr. TTP?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. All right. The floor is yours. Let's see what you do in 10 seconds.
Check it. Check it.
Somebody please get this man water.
Water, please. Water. Are you okay? Are you sure?
I'll be fine.
It will be true because
What did you just do, if I may ask? What did you just do?
I rap.
You just rapped.
Yes.
What is that thing? What did you say in your rap?
you didn't hear anything. Just keep it.
I was telling a story
Story about.
about a girl that got lost in the struggle.
Okay, so the part that you said for you and for the entire human race, how did it connect with the girl?
There's the way I just link everything.
You link it.
It's linked. LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
No, for me, this doesn't make any sense whatsoever because we can't. Rap is when you are able to pass a message across or communicate.
It's because
with
I'm
your
fast.
listener.
Because I was rapping it
The
fast.
fact that you are fast
You're
does
not
not
making
change
sense.
anything.
You're not making sense. We can't hear anything. You're just saying wiri.
For people that rap fast, like a Twister now, if he hears this rap, he'll be able to relate and put words in place.
Wow.
Oh, okay.
Like a Twister, Busta Rhyme, they can do. Eminem will understand this rap.
Oh, so we here we cannot understand.
I'm so sorry, but you can't. You might not be able to. But
Do you know what you are saying, young man? This is a Maumi, a renowned musician in Nigeria.
You know what? Indulge me. I want to make sense of what you are saying. Can you slow it down? Can you slow down the rap? Because
Sure.
if you do not make sense, you and I will have a problem today.
But sure, if I slow it down, you will understand.
I will make sure that the security outside deal with you for wasting my time.
No, but if I slow it down, if you now listen well, you will hear.
That was
Okay.
the point.
No, let's indulge him. Slow it down.
Okay.
Uh,
Ba, 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 ba. Let's go. Send him and I get him and I get it and I gonna get it and I gonna break it and I gonna get it and I gonna break it and I gonna get it and I gotta break it.
You need to be calling the security.
I know.
Be calling them.
they will deal with you today.
need
You know, no side
You
man.
need to get it.
Did you get what you just said?
Can you make sense of what you just said?
Did you hear I gonna break it?
You break
You know you're
what?
gonna break it.
What after that one? What happened again?
And I gonna get it.
It's you that will get it. And you will break your own destiny. Please go away from here to Tupac.
Young man, you don't get it. That's not rap, all right? How long have you been doing this rap?